Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the instrument. Do 5 to 10 minutes of lip trills, hums, and gentle sirens to lubricate the folds and neural pathways. Once warmed, check posture. Stand tall with neutral head and soft jaw so breath support engages naturally. Begin on a comfortable mid-range pitch and practice shifting resonance forward into the mask. This is how you alter timbre without strain. Make sure to breathe from the lower ribs and keep vowels consistent as you take these first actionable steps. Once you can move resonance, focus on registers. Practice octave slides and mixed register blends to smooth transitions and gain control. You alter perceived voice type by shifting resonance placement, move chest energy forward for warmth, lift into mask for brighter tone. Adjust vowel shapes methodically. Tighter vowels raise formants, rounder vowels darken sound. Use focused drills of 1 to 2 minutes, sustains, glides, and repeated short phrases to train coordination. Keep monitoring. To finish, refine stylistic elements. Try a subtle breathy edge, controlled vibrato, or a straighter tone at low intensity to hear how texture changes. Record short takes and compare NB versions while altering one variable at a time, vowel, placement, or slight pitch shift. Once happy, practice phrases with musical intent, preserving healthy breath support. If you feel strain or hoarseness, stop, lower volume, return to gentle hums and lip trills, and rebuild placement slowly to avoid injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.